Belly fat expanding with age is a well-known and increasingly common problem. However, recent research has provided a more alarming insight into why this occurs. The accumulation of fat, particularly in the abdominal area, is no longer just a cosmetic issue. It's a health concern that accelerates aging, slows metabolism, and increases the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and other metabolic disorders. Unfortunately, this new understanding highlights an even more troubling reality. As we age, our bodies have an innate, biological drive to produce more fat cells, fueling the expansion of belly fat. The latest research uncovers that aging activates a new type of stem cell called committed preadipocytes, CPS, which are responsible for generating fat cells. This discovery shows that as we grow older, the body's natural processes shift to favor fat production, particularly around the midsection. The activation of these CPS, driven by a signaling pathway known as LIFR, increases fat cell formation in a way that seems almost inevitable. These findings could potentially pave the way for future therapies targeting these stem cells in an attempt to block the fat-producing process. While this might sound like a hopeful solution, it raises several critical concerns. Firstly, this newly identified mechanism of fat accumulation is yet another factor contributing to the unhealthy weight gain that many experience in middle age. Unlike the gradual slowing of metabolism that we usually attribute to aging, this research points to a direct, biological process in which the body's fat-making cells become more efficient as we age. This revelation shifts the blame from mere lifestyle factors to a more fundamental biological process, leaving us with fewer easy explanations and even fewer solutions to prevent it. As our bodies naturally produce more fat cells, particularly in the abdominal region, it's clear that belly fat isn't just a matter of poor habits, but rather a result of aging itself. The implications of this research are both fascinating and concerning. Scientists are optimistic that this discovery could lead to therapies that prevent the formation of new fat cells, specifically targeting the CPS. However, this opens the door to several serious questions. What are the long-term consequences of inhibiting these fat-producing cells? Fat is not just a cosmetic issue. It plays crucial roles in energy storage, hormone regulation, and overall body function. Blocking or reducing the creation of fat cells could have unintended effects on the body's delicate balance, leading to unforeseen metabolic consequences, or even disrupting other essential bodily functions. Moreover, while therapies targeting CPS might help reduce belly fat, they do not address the broader, long-term issues associated with metabolic disease that are caused by aging. The rise in belly fat may be just one symptom of deeper metabolic changes that occur with age. If we only target the fat production process, we may be overlooking the bigger picture: our body's ability to handle energy, regulate hormones, and maintain overall balance as we age. Without addressing these larger systemic issues, any treatments targeting belly fat may offer limited, short-term benefits rather than solving the root causes of aging-related metabolic decline. Even more troubling is that this discovery may inadvertently create a false sense of security, leading individuals to rely on future therapies that may or may not be effective, while neglecting the fundamental role of lifestyle choices in managing health. It's easy to imagine a future where people might look to medical treatments as a quick fix, only to overlook the importance of diet, exercise, and overall healthy living. Research like this, while promising, could encourage a dangerous mindset where external treatments are seen as a shortcut, rather than reinforcing the importance of a balanced, proactive approach to aging. In conclusion, while the discovery of CPS and their role in age-related belly fat offers valuable insights into the biology of aging, it also raises several important concerns. Blocking these stem cells may be a potential treatment, but it's crucial to approach this with caution. The body's natural processes are finely tuned, and interfering with fat production could have unintended consequences. Additionally, the focus on a potential quick fix risks downplaying the essential role of lifestyle habits in managing health. Until more research is done and we fully understand the implications of these findings, we must remain cautious about relying too heavily on future therapies while continuing to prioritize healthy living habits as we age.